Happy Labor Day! So I better have viewers because I know you're not at work. I know you're not. Okay, so let's get started. If you don't know, my name is Liz. Welcome to the Fancy Flamingo Live. Okay. Jazzing it up. Let's see if we can get this lighting to work with us. Woo. Yeah, no, yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I have today my top 5. These kids, it's like they have a sonar that tells them when I'm live. Like, okay, your mom's live, turn it up, turn it up. No. Okay, so we're gonna talk about my top 5, and I'm trying really hard not to put my lips together because I'm trying to show you at the end, or show me too, this is my first time wearing it, if our new liquid lip is better than our old. But I keep wanting to like push my lips together. Okay, so let's get started on my top 5 favorite. Now, not gonna lie, ooh, hair. Not gonna lie, I use way more than 5 brushes, but on a normal, everyday, get out the door quick, the brushes that I must have, I'm gonna let you know. And they are not all LimeLife brushes, by the way. So, okay. Now, a little brush run through. Brushes are like a lot of things in life. What you pay for is what you get, okay? And you have to take care of your brushes. You have to wash them. You have to keep them clean, keep all the yucky bacteria off of them so they're effective and they're not like causing breakouts, which nobody wants. Nobody needs that. So I currently use a soap that is also like a conditioner for the bristles, but there's many out there. There's even like a spray that you can spray just to disinfect them between washes, which is also good. You can also use Dawn detergent. You know, it gets grease out of pans. It can get grime off your brushes, but you definitely want to take care of them because they are an investment. When I speak to makeup artists about their brushes, they spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on their brushes because those are their tools. Just like a construction worker spends hundreds on his drills and whatever. It's the same thing with your makeup brushes. But we're not makeup artists, right? So let's get started. Brush number 1. Okay, I naturally do not have eyebrows. Like I have a couple of sparse hairs, but no real brows. So I must draw them on. And for that, I use, let's see, just a slanted brow spoolie brush. Now I've used, which one? This one is actually Anastasia of Beverly Hills, ABH. And this one is probably my fave. And it works and it does the job. If you can get like Revlon, Maybelline ones also. The one by LimeLife, the spoolie is longer, which I like that part. So like I put my brows on with this one and then I take the spoolie off my other one and brush my brows. And brush my eyelashes, because look at these lashes, guys. They are growing. So yeah, this is a must-have. I could not live without it. I couldn't put my brows on without it. I would be browless. And it would be sad. One day I will have these microbladed on, and then I'm going to throw this out the window. No, I'm not. Okay. Brush number 2. We have a lot of great eye brushes through LimeLife, but Morphe, number 1, you can't beat the price. Number 2, I love these kind of bristles, and I don't know what they are. I could look it up. I'll look it up. But this is the M433 brush, and I have one that is a little bit smaller that I use to do my eye makeup And I have like, I always keep one, the bigger one, which I think is, no, this is a smaller one. The bigger one, I keep it clean so I can like really get in there and like blend these colors out. These are $6 a piece, and if it would break or if it would get ruined, it's okay because I can buy another one just like that. I love these. Like, these are my jam. These are my favorite. And I would never have known if my dog had not eaten my other brushes. So thank you, Maverick, kinda, in a way. I love these. These are good. You can get these online at Morphe.com, or you can get these at Ulta. They're really good. Okay, so that was 2. Next is one of my newest brushes. I'm kind of in love with it. I have one that's similar from NARS, and this one is way better. Okay, so this is number 16. It's the fan brush through LimeLife. Like, this fan, it's not super thin. Like, you see those fan brushes that they use to put on highlight? They use, you know, like the other makeup girls use. This one is so ridiculously soft. Like, it's amazing. Like, I could just, but I don't use this to do my highlight. I put this in whatever I'm contouring with or bronzing, and it fits right in that nice contour area right there. And it just feels so soft. And I love it. I love it. It's amazing. So this one is on the website, lizmadsen.com. Number 16. It's dirty, don't judge me. So soft fan brush. Okay, so that was, we've gone through the eyebrow, the Morphe, the fan brush. Moving on, this is another new one that I love. This is number 17, the stippling brush. This one is, it's like, it's fat. It's not like the old buffer brush. I don't have it anymore because my dog ate it. But that one was really skinny, and it was good for applying foundation and concealer, but it was small, so you had to like really work at it. This one, no, this is not stippling. This is the diffuser brush, number 17. And the reason why I just remembered that, when you're putting on your foundation, and it can sometimes look streaky, if you just use this brush, it just gets all those streaky lines, and it just makes it go on so effortlessly and quickly. Like, you don't have to keep buffing like with the old one. Like, you would keep buffing and it would have streaks and you'd have to keep buffing. This one just like, oh, it just buffs it right in. So this is a diffuser brush, number 17. And then lastly, and I could put like my foundation and concealer. Like, I could just dip it in my concealer, put it under there, you know, clean that line up right there. And then my last brush is the angled blush brush. Now, like, when I put on my blush, I don't just take one shade and just like put it on. I use a matte blush back here in this vicinity, and then I take a shimmer blush and I put it on the apples, and it just like fits those contours of your face so perfectly. And then I dip it in our number 6. It's like a light shimmer blush, and I just put it up here on my cheekbone. So it just like, it does the job. It does the job. So, and like, those are my 5. Yeah, 5. Oh my gosh. I can't count. But these Morphe, for eyes, I definitely prefer the Morphe brushes. Don't tell anybody. Okay, now for the last thing I wanted to show you guys. Let me grab them really quick. Okay, sorry. So we recently upgraded our Enduring Lip Color formula. I didn't think that was possible because it's already so pigmented. It already stays on, and it doesn't dry out your lips like a lot of liquid lipsticks do, because there's none of that alcohol garbage in it that makes them look all flaky and dried up. And I've always loved, always been one of my top favorite products. So I wanted to compare, like, how good is the new formula? Like, is it really all the hype? So on my top lip, I have the old one in Devil's Food Cake. This is a great shade for fall. It's very vampy. It's not something I would go to every day. It's kind of out of my comfort zone, but it's okay. So you can see I have this on my top, and you can tell, like, it's not as pigmented as the bottom. I think I have them, and then this one is the brand new one. Okay, so we're gonna do the real test. Now the new one is supposed to have less transfer. So what I'm hoping we see is that you can tell the top transfers and the bottom doesn't. No, I'm really pushing. I was like biting. Okay, that's the top. And that's the bottom. So maybe I was pushing too hard. Let's just kiss. So when I kiss, there still is a little bit of transfer, but it is not as much. Okay, so what if I wasn't pressing hard and I was just putting on a shirt? I was grazing my shirt as I was putting it on. So I'm not seeing. Okay, so if I don't press as hard as possible, that's the top, that's the bottom. Can you tell? So there is more. So it is less transfer. It's definitely more pigmented. I still love it. Yeah. Okay. So that's all I have. I hope everyone has a fantastic, fantastic Labor Day. Take the day, relax, unwind, get your mind straight, and get ready to conquer the week. Thanks for watching, and take care.